Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about the input function in Python. If we're using the version 3, then the name of function is input only. But if we're using the version 2, then the name changes to the raw input, except that everything is same. Now, what the input function it does? It's simple. It takes input from the user. If you're coming from a C or C++ background, then this function is somewhat similar to the scanf function. So let me give you an example. You take a variable x and then use the function input. Whatever you type in the brackets, it's gonna be displayed on the screen when you run it. So the function is somewhat like this. X is equal to input. Whatever you type here, it's gonna be displayed on the screen when you run this. So this message is displayed and you enter something from the keyboard. It can be anything. Suppose I enter a number 5. Now be careful about one thing, that is when I check the type of X, it's a string. Why? I entered an integer but the type is coming out to be a string. Yeah, anything you type, the type is gonna be a string. So be careful, and if you have to convert it to an integer, you can take another variable 5 and using typecasting you can convert it to a string. Now let me run this code on the PC. Now I took a variable x and using a function input, I entered type any number. Now when I run it, see this message, it is displayed on the screen. Now I'm going to type a number and let it be 5. Fine. Now this variable 5 is assigned to x, that is it is stored in the variable x. So now when I print x, it's gonna be 5, and you can just see that there are inverted commas in x, which means that this is a string. Now when I use the type function to check its type, I get a string. To convert it to an integer, I take another variable 5 and using the type conversion method, I just do this. Now when I check the type of y, it's gonna be an int. So guys, this is gonna do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next.